Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to install the Color Clusters LCD flip kit to your MT09. Right guys, so I'll show you the dash, the standard dash. That's it with the white background, black writing. So we're going to install the LCD flip. So we're going to get a black background with white writing. And then what we're going to do is install the translucent green, orange, and then the red RPMs. So basically, where the revs build up along this way, down here, we're going to cut the film to suit. So what I've done is I've turned the brightness up on the dash to the maximum as recommended. All you do is you turn the key off, hold down the select button, and then turn the ignition on, and then the dots will appear, and then you just hit the switch to increase and decrease it, and then press select again, and that locks it in. So let's get removing the dash. Well guys, so now we've got the dash off, we'll start removing the 7 screws holding the cover on. Just a bit of a tip on this, there's 2 little plastic tabs that come out of this for the buttons. Just make sure that you've got them too. In that case, don't lose them. So what we're going to do now is just going to apply a little bit of heat with a heat gun to this screen, and then we'll get a Stanley knife in the corner, just very gently pick the corner and try and peel the cover off. This is probably the worst or most scariest bit. That's worth noting. That's pulled the whole piece off. But the section that I was pulling off here, wasn't quite the screen. That's obviously why it was tearing off. So that's the actual piece off. So you can see there. Now what we've got to do is clean all that residue glue off, and then we install the flip kit over it. You peel off number 1, just stick him on, and then you have a black display, and then we'll put the cover on. Okay, so we'll turn ignition on. You can see the darkness. Some white spots there where I was rubbing, but this will be fine when it's on one. Right, so we peel off layer 1, and then we'll lay it down on the edge. Careful not to get any fingerprints on it. Right, rubbed it on. We'll now remove the top layer. Get the finger under it. Got it. So that's the new cover on. No bubbles underneath it, thankfully. It's all gone on nice. Tricky to get it aligned because you've not got much if it catches one side to the other. Okay, so I've just plugged it back in. We'll check the dark screen. So there we go. Full SP style dash. Don't worry about these lighter marks here. That's just where I was rubbing the screen. They'll fade after a bit. So that's it. So what we'll do now is we can put now we put the dark dash on, we can go ahead and put the colours on the tacho at the top. Let's fire it up. Full sun. Hi guys, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give you a bit of insight into installing the Colour Clusters LCD flip kit to your MT09. Can be a bit daunting when you think about peeling the film off your dash, but it's not that bad. Take your time, and yeah, you won't have any dramas with it. I just used a little bit of citrus lemon oil to remove the sticky residue left over from the factory screen on the top. Yeah, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in another one. Cheers, guys.